Hi, my name is Helen Bishop. This is the true story of how I survived the sinking of the Titanic. I was in first class with my husband Dickinson. I was 19 and my room number was B49. My dog was also traveling for fun with me. I wasn't rich, but my husband was. On the first day, Dickinson and I went to the pool. We also went out for a nice dinner that night. The next day, we went to ask our friend Albert Stewart if he wanted to go to breakfast, and we spent the rest of the day with him. On the third day, Dickinson and I played tennis all day. On the fourth day, I played with my dog because Dickinson was reading a book. The fifth day, I went out for lunch by myself. It has been a good time on the Titanic so far. I was getting ready to go to bed when the ship hit an iceberg. I didn't feel or hear anything. After a couple of minutes, someone knocked on the door. I answered, and the person said to go on deck. So Dickinson and I got dressed and went on deck. They said we should go back to our room, so we went back and put our sleepwear on. Then our friend Albert Stewart came and told us to get on deck immediately. Things were not looking good. At 12:45 p.m., Dickinson and I got on Lifeboat 7, and I was one of the rowers, and one person on our lifeboat refused to row, waiting for someone to rescue us worried me. Finally, the Carpathia showed up and brought us to New York. I'm settled in at New York. I gave birth to a baby boy named Ronald Walton Bishop. On December 8th, 1912, a really sad thing happened. 2 days later, he died. Soon came an earthquake, and luckily we survived. I will always remember all the nice things that were on the Titanic. I lived in a nice and big house. Soon I got Jackson eclipse and died Wednesday, March 15th, 1916.